Hello everyone, in this video you are going to see how to use an inbuilt option of a Microsoft Office to have the list of the figures. ठीक है. So in your report many times it will ask a list of the figures figure 1.1, figure 1.2 or figure 2.1, figure 2.3. ठीक है. So one is represented as chapter and second one is represented as number of figures. In chapter it is 1.1 means first chapter first figure. So let us see first of all how to allot a chapter. Go to multi-level list from the home command, home option, then go to chapter 1. You will find an introduction, will get a chapter 1. Similarly, keep your cursor in front of second chapter, that is literature review. Right now the second chapter is literature review. Go to multi-level option, multi-level list option, and select the same chapter option. Then go to third. Likewise you need to select the multi-level option and you need to allot the chapter number first. Okay. Then in some of the chapter you have sub chapters. Okay. So for example in chapter number 3 I have a sub chapter of 3.1. Okay. So we need to follow the procedure same way. Only we need not to jump directly to the chapter option. First of all we need to write 3.2, that is number of the chapter. Then go to multi-level list option, 3.1 or 3.2. Here I am writing 3.1. I am going to select that chapter and then I am selecting chapter and changing the list to heading 2. Likewise for again I will allot 3.2 and I will state it as heading 2. Okay, so heading 1 is your chapter, heading 2 is the sub chapter. So you can see I have written 3.2. I have selected it. I have gone to the multi-list option and then I have changed list level and I have selected heading 2. So this is how you need to number the chapter first of all, so that your figure will have figure 1.1, figure 3.1. Okay. So next is how to have the figure name. As you can see in first page itself I have two figures. Okay. So the first figure I am showing it right above and the second figure is below to it. Let us see how to figure how to give the name to the figure. Okay, in a continuous manner. Okay. So need not to type figure 1.1 manually, because we are using inbuilt command, inbuilt option of this Microsoft Word. Let us go and see how to use this option in Microsoft Word. So you need to go to the references. After references you need to click on the insert caption, where you can see you can have the description of it. Okay. So you can name the figure, number the figure from this option, insert caption. So you can see option label, it is figure. It has other option as well as table and equation. So right now we are having figure. So say numbering, so it will number as per that. If you don't want a chapter, so you can say include chapter number or not. So I am including the chapter number. Okay. So I will have figure 1-1 dot and the figure name. I will type the figure name here itself. So I can have the name of the figure as fuel demand. Okay. And I am going to say OK. So the figure number and the name will appear. Just go to the change in the font. You can have the change font of Times New Roman. You can change the size to 11 as per the format. You can have center align. Okay, and you can bold the number as well as the figure name. Okay. So likewise you need to give the number as well as name to the figures. Let us see how we can do it. let's go to reference, then insert caption, figure 1-2. So it is taking automatically figure 1-2. You need not to write one figure 1-2 every time. Okay, so it will continuously take 1-3 or 3.1 3-1 likewise. Okay, so I am giving a heading to the figure CO2 utilization. Okay, and I am saying okay. So you can again find it is coming. So you can have the format painter option from the home. So just copy the format of the first figure and just select the second one. So you will have, you need not to worry about the font size of the name what is given to the figure. Okay. So let us go to the third and fourth figure. Right now the figure is in 3.1, so it is automatically, it has taken 3-1. So need not to worry about the chapter. Once you have given the chapter, it will name the chapter and it will name the figure accordingly. It will number the figure accordingly. Okay. So you can say okay, and you can follow the same procedure of having a format painter of a second figure, and you can proceed with this. Okay. So finally you have given a names to the figure. One more figure is remaining, let us see. Just go to reference, just go to insert caption. It has taken figure dash 3.2, name of the figure. So I can write name at this point as well, or I can insert the name in the insert caption as well. So you have both the option. You can insert the name of the figure in the insert caption, or you can type it manually below the figure. So here I am going to use an insert caption, and I'm going to name the figure. I will name it as CCS technology 2 or CCS 2 technology. Okay. So I'm going to say okay. Further, you can see when you hit enter, it will appear the figure number, name and number will appear below the figure. You can have the format printer, and you can just you can copy the format of the previous figure, okay, to the next figure. Now let us see how to include a list of the figures at the top, because most of the times it is necessary to include list of the figures, list of the content while starting the report, seminar report or a project report. So need not to worry, just go to references, just go to insert table of option. Okay, near to the insert caption, you can see a table of figure dialog box is open. You can see show page number. If you want the page number, you can click OK. If you don't want, untick that option. If you want a dotted in front of the name of the figure, you can select the tab leader. You can disable the use hyperlink or instead of a page number. Okay. So you can see the template formats are in table, figure and equation. So you can say okay finally. So what you can see, you can have a 4 figures, and which has been named 1-1 fuel demand, 1-2 CO2 utilization, 3-1 CCS technology and 3-2 CCS2 technology. So you can see you can have the figure as well as its page number, figure name, number as well as its page number. So this is how you need to have the figure list of the figures. Okay, so it will hardly take your 5 minutes just to name those figures and to number those figures, and just you need to have a insert table of figure. Thank you all for watching this video.